Hello everyone. My name is Kumar Gaurav and welcome to our channel. Let's practice together. And today in this video, I am not alone. With me here is Bhavyasri. So hi Bhavya.
Hi.
So first of all, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Bhaveshri. I am final year computer science student. Here today I have joined with Baya to solve coding problem.
Yes, and today I have choose the question for you is set matrix 0. So first of all, tell me which category this question belongs to.
It belongs to arrays data structure.
Yes, because matrix is nothing but a 2D array.
Yeah.
So first read the question for me.
Okay. Given an n cross n integer matrix, if an element is zero, set its entire row and column to zeros. You must do it in place.
So what do you mean by in place?
You should not use any extra space
Very
to
good.
solve the problem.
Yes, so whatever the matrix they have provide, we will use their space only. So tell me the approach, how you will write the code.
I was thinking like to take zeroth row and zeroth column as a flag to set it when we encounter any zeros, and we will traverse and we will replace it according by using the flag.
Perfect. So without wasting time, let's start the coding.
Okay.
Whatever you said, we will do that only. So you will just keep the flag 0 as soon as
Okay.
you will encounter any 0. So let's start. Okay. So you started with int row equals to matrix dot size. Very good. This is a very good example what you are showing now. Like whenever you are traversing any 2D matrix, then don't write like for int I equals to 0 I is less than matrix dot size, because each and every iteration you are calling one function size. So better you will take one extra variable row and column and set the matrix dot size and matrix 0 dot size there only. So now if you are traversing, you will just call that variable. So for loop, yes, right, int I equals to 0, I is less than row, and I plus plus. So if you have solved too many matrix problem, you know what is this? This is nothing but the traversal of any matrix. So j equals to 0, j is less than column j plus plus. So what is our target? If you encounter any cell as 0, that means if matrix I and j equals to 0, then what you are going to do? You are
Uh,
going to set its zeroth index row as well as zeroth index column as 0, because that is your flag. Very good. So matrix I 0 equals to 0 and matrix 0 j equals to 0. Perfect. So now again you have to traverse the matrix. Now tell me from where you will start the traversal. From
we
starting,
will traverse from ending
you will traverse from end. Why?
because in starting like zeroth row and zeroth column we taken it as a flag to set to keep track of zero. So
Very
we will
good.
traverse from end.
End. Perfect. So from traversing from back, what we will do in I equals to row dot row minus 1. Perfect. So I is greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. Very good. And similarly for j also. So in j will be column minus 1, j is greater than equals to 0, and there will be not code but a semicolon. Perfect.
Here we will check
So here you will check for that I0 and 0j.
zeroth
So which operator you will use? AND operator or operator?
or.
Why?
Because if any of the flag is set to zero, then we will change that complete cell to zero.
0. Perfect. So then you will replace that cell as 0. Very good. So in this two traversal only your code completed, right? So
Yeah.
let's run the code and let's see if we can pass the test case. So it's accepted. Very good. So let's submit the code. So now it's pending. Okay, so out of 166, we have passed 108 test cases. So let's see where we encountered the wrong answer. So what is the output here?
Mm,
Okay, so our entire matrix has turned to 0. So let's dry
uh,
run and let's check where we went wrong. So just copy this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 7, 8
okay.
and paste it in your editor only. After line number 22, just paste it. Convert it like a matrix, like enter after 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after 8, and then after 12. Yes, now copy and paste it. I want to see after first for loop or after first iteration how your matrix will look like. Just convert it for me. So as soon as you will encounter 0, that means after
Yes.
5 0, okay,
We will keep that column as 0
0, as well
and
as
the
the
row.
row also 0.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And
Similarly,
here we encounter 0, we will keep that column as 0.
0, perfect.
And here we are in one more 0, we will just replace 4 with
4 as
0.
0 and 13 as 0.
Mm.
So now we can see that your 0th column completely becomes 0. And
Ah,
in your line number 16 only, you have given condition like if matrix 0 of j equals to 0, then matrix ij will be 0. That means
yeah.
your entire matrix is converting into 0. That
Ah,
means what is your base case? That you should not calculate about the 0th column in starting only.
okay.
So this is will be your base condition or this will be your exception. So how you will handle that exception? You will take a flag for this 0th column
Okay.
and you will replace the columns accordingly after this operation. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So just take a flag in starting.
Okay.
So how we will take a flag? We will start flag with 0 and as soon as our exception come, we will raise the flag. That means flag equals to 1. Very good. So you taken flag equals to 0. So now after
You
line
can.
number 5 only,
Ah,
before traversing the column, you will just check if matrix I0, if that is equals to 0, that means your
flag
flag
with.
equals
Yeah.
to 1. That means your column is going to be 0. Entire column is going to be 0 because there is one 0 present. So
Yeah.
now your traversal, line number
Okay. Here
7.
we can keep
Line number
from.
7, yes, it will start from 1 now.
Ah.
Correct.
And here also it will end till 1.
Till 1 and after that for loop you will check for the flag. If your flag is 1, that means your column is going to be 0, otherwise not.
Yeah.
Very good. So now in your conversion process, you are not going to check if your column is 0. First 0th column is 0 or not. Very good.
Yeah.
So I hope by using this flag, we have handled that exception. So just comment out and again submit the code. Yes, first run. It's a very good practice to always run the code before submitting because if there is any syntactical error, then you can handle it. So let's submit and check it. So yes, code has been accepted. Very good. I hope you understood correctly.
Yeah.
Okay,
Understood.
so thank you. We will meet again for the next
Thank
question.
you.
And till then, stay blessed, stay safe, and keep coding.